Hello cubers, I'm Mr. Michael, and this video is covering notations for the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. For the 4x4 Rubik's Cube, you have a few extra layers outside of the 3x3 and of course more than the 2x2 as well. When you're approaching these different layers and different sides, we'll need to expand to the other slice moves inside of that. So for the 4x4, we have the standard white on top, opposite of yellow, and in the orientation, which you can move these centers around, you'll have green in front, blue in the back, orange on the left, and red on the right. We're going to have the standard scrambling setup, which is white on top and green facing, and here are your notations for the 4x4 cube. R prime, L prime, F prime, B prime, D prime. Moving into the slice moves, we're going to go into the next layer. When you're representing the slice move in notations, this is a capital R. The slice move next to it is a lowercase r. And here are the slice moves. R slice prime, L slice prime, F slice prime, B slice prime, U slice prime, D slice prime. You also have a notation which covers both layers that's closest to it, which would be the R, capital R for the R parameter, and the slice, which are called wide moves. Those are represented in having either the capital R and the lowercase r together, which I'll use, or you'll have an RW, which is for R wide. Here are those notations. R wide prime, L wide prime, F wide prime, B wide prime, U wide prime, D wide prime. And for the 4x4, you can also apply a double turn on them, which would be a U2 prime, or the U wide 2 and U wide prime 2, as well as the right side, left side, back side, front side, and the D layer as well. So covering all of the notations and movements for the 4x4. Hopefully this will help you get scrambles, follow those notations, and get the scrambles so you can practice different patterns and different scrambles to solve, and also learn more about this great puzzle. Thank you all for joining, and happy solving.